Welcome to my channel, Shutterbug Infinity. So today I'm doing a hands-on review on the Canon G11 Powershot. So this is the successor to the G10. Its megapixel is gone down to 10 megapixels compared to the Canon G10 of 14 megapixels. So now I'll show you the compartments for the HDMI cable. So with the G11, the emphasis is on its low light shooting ability. So here is the LCD display, which swivels for easy, friendly using. So you can take self-portraits and you can close it in to protect the screen. So next I will show you the turn dial. So the CDD sensor coupled with the Digic 4 processor allows 2 stops better noise performance. So here now, I'm showing you the dials for the ISO. Again, the LCD swivels, and you can use it to see your settings. So I have AV, aperture priority manual mode. C1 is custom shooting using your own custom settings. C2, your custom settings again. And you have standard mode, portrait mode. So you have quick shot, shoots quickly. Low light, auto mode, program mode, shutter speed priority TV mode, and AV aperture priority mode. I'm just going back down to the scenes. You can take landscape, get the best out of landscape shots, night snapshot, kids and pets, indoor shooting, sports mode, sunset. So you have night scene, fireworks, beach, natural scenes in strong sunlight, underwater, so you use a case around your camera, aquarium, foliage, so you shoot in vivid colours, snow, so the natural looking snowy scenes, color accents, so you keep only a selected color and change to black and white. So you have stitch assist, to help with panoramic images. Here as aperture, you can see 3.5, 4.5. So it's an easy use turn dial. So I'll switch to TV shutter speed. Again, you can adjust your shutter speed. 1/3000, camera will select the aperture. So it ranges all the way down. So here you can see the dials. So you have the exposure compensation dial. So it's normally set to 0, you can turn that down to -1, -2 to make the image darker. Or you can compensate it to make it brighter, going to +1, +2. So the low light mode on top of the camera is a quick shot mode with minimum shutter lag. So as I discussed, the scene modes and movie modes. So despite having a HDMI port, it does not shoot in HD movies. It just shoots in VGA movies. So the C mode dials are rotating dial control, so it's quick and easy to use, moving between different modes and options. So here I'm showing how to remove the battery from the camera and also the SD card. So you just click it in and it pops out, as you can see here, and then press it back in. Hear the click and it's in securely. And I'll put the battery in, so I line it up, as you can see. So it will just click into place. So it's the correct way to put the battery into the camera. Here to click. And close the battery door. So now I'm going to discuss the zoom range. This dial zooms it in and zooms it back out. As you can see, 5 times, 7 times zoom. So the G11 has 5 times optical zoom lens, 28 to 140 mm. So the max picture is 2.8 at wide end, extending to 4.5 at the telephoto end. So the ring here can undo, so you can attach an extension tube for macro flash attachment. Show you how again to put the ring back on by lining it back up the white dot, as you will see here. So overall, Impressive offers most of the functions of a DSLR, including RAW shooting and compatibility with the Canon DPP software. So the G11 gives better quality pictures in low light. The LCD is great functionality and practical. So here I show you the flash button. ISO ranging. So the camera also has plenty of focusing options with this camera. So in addition, it has 9 focusing AF points and face detection. So you can manually select AF point using the FlexiZone AF system. You got manual focusing and focus bracketing. So it'll focus to within 1 centimeter of the lens in macro mode. So it also has a hot shoe for external flash. They're easy function dials. So here is the menu. And the various different items. So your slideshow, erase for pictures, erasing them. So here you can use the 4-way controller if you want. And easy use. So this camera is a nice camera for a beginner that wants to use their DSLR camera, as you get to use many of the same functions. So if you enjoyed this review, please consider subscribing, like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.